Assalam Alikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, logos and Facebook stories and much more, as well as the hidden secrets of Canva, then you must watch the full video. Before we start our video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. So some of the 3D element codes you can use in Canva, so save it for future use. So let's start. First you can search 3D financial deal. Here you can see many elements which are very attractive and eye-catching. Most of the freelancers or designers use this kind of elements in their blog posts and templates. Second, you can search the second secret Canva code is 3D business element trending on crops. These are all the secrets of Canva which no one tells you. And for brand, now you can search this. And you can see much more attractive templates and the elements. This is also the second brand post you can also search. Now for 3D emojis, you can search simply 3D emojis and you can see the beautiful emojis. Now you can also search the 3D elements. Once again I said that these are the hidden secrets of Canva which no one tells you. Now growing business with coins, this is all about today's video. If you want to learn more about Canva step-by-step tutorial, you must comment on this video so that I will make a video step-by-step tutorial for you guys to learn how to make attractive blog post, Facebook post, Instagram post, how to make logos, how to make YouTube thumbnails attractive. So keep supporting me and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.